Well, YouTubers, here we are again. It is May 23rd, and it looks like I'm back in the bee business. My bees died out. I purchased a nuke, 40-minute drive home tonight, and I'll set it out in my apiary, and probably tomorrow night I will move the bees into my boxes. But we've got some bees. Okay, today is the 24th. My intent is to move the nuke over into one of my boxes. The little box is sitting right next to it. What I'm going to do is I'll take the nuke and I'll swap positions with the box, and then the bees will start to come back to the other box, and then I'll move the frames over. So that's the plan. They've been here a day. Looks like they're moving in and out, doing some flying around and trying to figure out the terrain. So yeah, that's my plan. There's a light wind, 6 o'clock in the evening, probably closer to 6:30 now. You know, they're kind of coming back, so the box is going to be pretty full. But a time like the present. I'm moving this box where the other one was, so they'll orient to this box. The guys are left. Got some propolis on that. Okay. And here are the bees. Okay. Try to keep them calm. And separate frames a bit. Get these out. These are good looking frames, lots and lots of bees. I might not be able to get all the frames in there because they had them loose in here. They've kind of grown the comb out a bit. I don't want to overpack them. And my intention is just to get this over here as quick as I can. These are good looking bees. They're very active. intention is just put this back together as quick as I can. Alright, that looks good. Tighten up these frames. Those guys go down. Okay. I've got a lot of bees here. I'm going to try to just drop them in a corner and dump them. So I don't know, that kind of worked, maybe. Certainly got them agitated. Now we're just going to try to get the cover on. So there's bees everywhere. It's pretty crazy. But my intent, my hope, is that they'll find their way up. So I'm going to put this box down here now. And put that lid down there. I should create a little bridge here. Cover. So that they can make it over from one to the other. So you can see what I've done. Just placed the empty nukes box in front of the hive, and I give them a little wooden bridge. They'll use that as it gets cold, gets calmer, and they'll all settle in. They're going in there. I'll leave them for a little bit, and I'll take a video of them after. This is what it looks like right now. They haven't calmed down yet. They're still flying around. There's a couple flying around my phone. So I'm going to get out of here because they're starting to fly around me. So don't need to get stung. So here's the nuke box. They're making their way back. They're still doing some flies here and there. They've used the box, and I think mostly they've emptied out that box. So they're not in there anymore. Climbed up, got in. So, and they're still doing some, looks like orientation flights. Trying to get used to the fields and landmarks. So it's a new hive, and I can see that the bees are doing housekeeping duty, dragging out little bits of dead bees and whatever else they found in there, and making this new box their home. This is Larry with NNY Bees, and I just want to thank you for watching another one of my videos. I lost my hives over the winter, so I'm starting fresh here. And hopefully I take some videos of this as the hive grows and you guys can share. Thanks, and click like.